India-Israel relations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on an official visit to Israel, marking his first trip there since his landmark 2017 visit, the first ever by an Indian Prime Minister after diplomatic ties were established. That visit elevated India-Israel relations into the open and strengthened bilateral cooperation. However, the current visit takes place in a far more tense regional context with concerns over a possible US-Iran conflict and a fragile ceasefire in Gaza. Against the backdrop, the visit highlights the evolution of India-Israel ties and underscored that growing strategic significance. The early years recognition without full ties. India recognized the state of Israel soon after its creation in 1948. However, full diplomatic relations were delayed for over 4 decades due to political sensitivities and regional considerations. In January 1992, during Palestinian President Yasser Arafat's visit to India, Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao conveyed that diplomatic ties with Israel could strengthen India's ability to influence the Palestinian cause. Arafat publicly respected India's sovereign decision, paving the way for a historic shift. India formally established diplomatic relations with Israel on January 29, 1992, a move that marked a decisive turning point in bilateral relations. Growing defense cooperation. India had sourced Israeli weapons during the 1962 war with China, though engagement remained limited and episodic. During the Kargil conflict, Israel swiftly supplied precision bombs from its emergency stockpiles to the Indian Air Force. This timely support significantly strengthened defense ties. Political engagement deepens 2000 to 2003. In 2000, India organized high-profile visits to Israel, including External Affairs Minister Jaswant Singh and Home Minister L.K. Advani, to address domestic political concerns. Leaders across party times, including Jyoti Basu and Najma Heptullah, also visited Israel. Israeli Prime Minister Ariel Sharon's visit to India in September 2003 further consolidated defense and security cooperations. Later, then External Affairs Minister S.M. Krishna visited Israel in 2012. Public discussion focused on science and technology, agriculture and commerce, while strategic defense ties were kept relatively low profile. India-Israel relations after 2014. After assuming office in 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi brought India-Israel ties into the open. He met Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in New York in September 2014, the first such meeting in a decade, signaling renewed political engagement. High-level political exchanges. Home Minister Rajnath Singh visited Israel in 2014. President Pranab Mukherjee made the first ever Indian presidential visit in 2015. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj followed in 2016. Over the past decade, several Indian ministers and parliamentarians have also visited Israel. The 2017 breakthrough visit. PM Modi's 2017 visit was historic not only as the first by an Indian Prime Minister but also because he skipped the customary stop in Palestine, signaling a more confident and independent diplomatic stance. His current visit similarly focuses solely on Tel Aviv. Reciprocal engagement. Prime Minister Netanyahu visited India in January 2018, reinforcing bilateral ties. Since Netanyahu's re-election, the two leaders have spoken at least 10 times in 3 years, reflecting sustained high-level engagement. Expanding strategic and economic cooperation. India and Israel have deepened defense ties, evident during Operation Sindoor, and enhanced cooperation in cybersecurity, highlighted during the Pegasus disclosures. In November 2025, both sides signed defense pacts and launched negotiations for a free trade agreement. Cooperation now spans sectors such as artificial intelligence, agriculture, and advanced technologies. A shifting geopolitical landscape. Since PM Modi's first visit in 2017, West Asia's geopolitical dynamics have changed significantly. Israel and several Arab nations have moved toward normalization under the Abraham Accords signed during Donald Trump's first term. Gaza war and fragile ceasefire. The Hamas attack on 7 October 2023 triggered a prolonged war in Gaza, resulting in massive casualties and destruction. An uneasy truce now holds under a US-backed peace plan, with the key challenge being the disarmament of Hamas. Rising Iran tensions. Tensions with Iran have intensified following a 12-day Israel-Iran conflict in June 2025. during which the US struck Iranian nuclear facilities. The US has since increased its military presence around Iran, further destabilizing the region. India's diplomatic tightrope. PM Modi's visit comes amid regional turmoil, making it a sensitive diplomatic move. New Delhi must carefully balance cost and benefits. Importance of Israel for India. A crucial defense and security partner, a key economic partner in the India Middle East Europe economic corridor, a significant regional political player with expanding ties in West Asia. Regional sensitivity. Iran and other regional nations are closely observing India's growing proximity to Israel and assessing its implications for their own ties with New Delhi. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, facing political pressure at home, is projecting the visit as a diplomatic success. Conclusion. PM Modi's Israel visit unfolds in a volatile regional environment and will be closely watched across West Asia. It reflects India's effort to navigate complex geopolitical realities while safeguarding its strategic and economic interests.